In this video, I'm going to show you how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the thing is that you can't get recent followers of some person using your mobile app. So first I hop out my app and I need to open now my browser and go to instagram.com website, and here if it's necessary I need to go through login process. I have done that before, and next I need to tap here on that letters icon to bring up that menu, and here select request desktop website. I need desktop website to make this possible to see someone's recent followers. And now once I'm on desktop website, I can tap here on some persons on followers, and now on that list I got all the followers of that person sorted in order from the recent followers to the old one. That's how it works. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.